Today we're going to try making peanut butter and jelly brownies in the microwave. Tell you what, we've done a couple of these microwave recipes by now and they've been a bit hit and miss for some of you. I do apologise. But it's made me want to try more. Now this is not my recipe, so you can't blame me. Well, I say, why don't we? Why don't we give it a go? So first things first, we have got 50 grams of peanut butter. And then we've got 75 grams of plain unsalted butter. So then we're going to combine these and I'm going to blast it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Give that a little stir. So healthy. Then, as I say, we're going to grease up a bowl, just a microwavable bowl. The recipe does say to line this with cling film, so. And then into this mix, we're going to crack in an egg. Now you want it to be cool enough that it's not going to scramble your egg. Boom, give that a good beat. Then we're going to go on top of that with some already sifted 25 grams of cocoa powder. That's where our lovely chocolatey brownie taste is going to come in. And 50 grams of plain flour. And just in case you haven't quite got diabetes yet, we're also going to go in with 100 grams of sugar. We're going to very loosely just fold it together until we get a nice sticky paste, essentially. I tell you what, it looks like brownie mix. Okay, so now we're going to smooth this out as level as we can, and then with a teaspoon we're just going to create little craters in our brownie, little puddles, and we're going to drop in a generous dollop of jam into each one. So all that's left to do now is for this to go into our microwave for 3 to 4 minutes on high power, at which point you're going to take it out, you're going to pop it on the side and leave it there for about 15 minutes where it will continue to cook a bit, and then you'll be ready to tuck in. Please don't tuck into it straight away. It's like lava. I mean, I feel like it worked, guys. It's had its time to continue cooking. Ooh. The thing is that you want a brownie to be a bit gooey, don't you? I don't think we're gonna have that problem with this one. Oh, smell that peanut. Ooh, okay. Okay. That's good brownie. That is good brownie. Still a bit squidgy, still a bit raw. The peanut butter all the way through that. That is delicious. And then you get the little touch of jam. Oh, that is great brownie. Hotter than the sun. Oh, well done. We found a recipe that for me works. Now what's left to see is whether it works for you. So guys, go and give this a go. But until next time, I'm here every single Tuesday cooking delicious new recipes for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.